Hello, today we're going to discuss an example of conservation of energy. Suppose I have a smooth slope and the ball is at rest initially. Say if the ball is 2 kilograms. Say the ball is 2 kilograms. The mass of the ball is 2 kilograms. Now this is a smooth slope, meaning that we neglect friction, and suppose this is 12 meters from the base of the slope. Now, at some point down the slope, say 8 meters above the ground, we are interested in the kinetic energy. So we are supposed to find the kinetic energy of the ball, the same ball that rolls down the smooth slope. Neglect air resistance and neglect friction. Before we do any calculation, it's always good to write a statement. Loss in gravitational potential energy equals gain in kinetic energy. Meaning that as the ball gets lower and lower, it loses height, it loses gravitational potential energy. This energy is converted to kinetic energy, meaning as the ball goes lower and lower, it gets faster and faster. There's a decrease in potential energy and there's an increase in kinetic energy. If we neglect work done against air resistance and friction, whatever loss will be equal to whatever gain in terms of energy. So let's take this equation. The formula for gravitational potential energy will be mgh. At first, it started with 12 meters and it ended up with 8 meters. So H1 is 12 meters initially, H2 is 8 meters. Now the mgh is the formula to calculate gravitational potential energy, equals to half m equals to the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Because the kinetic energy initially is 0. So whatever gain here will be equal to the final kinetic energy. Now which is equals to 2 kilogram. Say if G, if we take it as 10 times 10. Now H1 minus H2 will be 12 minus 8, which is 4 meter. Now this will work out to be 80. The unit for energy is joules. Now the common mistake is to use 8 meter. Now we have to take the difference in height for whatever loss in gravitational potential energy. So this will be the kinetic energy at this point. Say if we call this point B. So this will be the kinetic energy at point B. Point B. Say if the question continues to ask about the speed at point B, actually we can use half mv squared. With m equal to 2, we substitute 2 into m. Half mv squared equals 80. We can find the speed B. Thank you.